welcome back to today's Futoshiki. Today we're going to be tackling number 9 in both the 4x4 and the 5x5. If you're new here, these puzzles are logic puzzles and you've got little symbols like these arrows that tell you one number is bigger than the other one, and it's then like a Sudoku. So you need the numbers 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 if you're doing a 5x5 in each row and column that we're going to try and fill in. So looking at this one, we've got 2 numbers already filled in, the 2 and the 3, and 2 missing. The 4 and the 1 are missing. So because we've got the 4 here, that number can't be 4. So this one must be the 4, and this must be our 1, which means we can then hopefully try and fill in something else. So here, for example, the only numbers in this row, this column coming down that are missing are 2 and 3. So if this can be, this can be either a 2 or 3, because this here obviously can't be a 2, but that does mean that that has to be the 1, leaving this number here as a 4 because it's the only one left out of these here. This isn't the 4, so that one must be the 4 along the bottom row. We are then going up to the top. This one is the final 4 because none of these 3 can be a 4, so that one must be it. That leaves this to be our 3 because there's only 1, 2 and 4 in that column. This number has to be smaller than this one, so this one's our 2 and this is our 1. In this column going up here, there's only one number missing, which is the 2, and then we're left here with a few final things, which we can see. This here is missing a 1 and a 3. There's a 1 in the bottom right corner, so the top one's the 1 and this is the 3, which means this can no longer be the 3, so it must be our 2, and this is the final 3. Perfect, nice quick one there. And yep, onto the 5x5, slightly more difficult this one. Let's have a look. So we've got a few numbers, again similar to the last one actually a little bit. Quite a few numbers. I mean, there's one straight away in the middle here. Comment down below what you think it is. In 3, 2, 1. It's going to be a 4 because it's the only number left. Now, there's one number that is catching my eye, and that's this one here. Because we've got 2, 3 and 4 going up here, the only 2 numbers here are 1 and 5. But this number must be smaller than this number. So this one has to be the 1, as it can't be the 5. So that must therefore be the 5 in the bottom. So again, just using some logic and reasoning to try and identify a few numbers. Now, for those of you who are watching carefully, there's only one number left here, which means that must be the 1. So where can we then go from here? I think we should probably come across here because there is one of these 3 numbers that we can identify straight away, which might then lead to the others. So what's missing is a 2, a 3 and a 5. Now, this number has to be bigger than this number. So this one can't be the 5, but this also can't be the 5 because of this one. So this one here must be our 5. Last 2 numbers left are a 3 and a 2. 3 is bigger than 2, so they must go that way around. Now, going up to this one here, there is only one possible number that this can be because there's a 2, a 3 and a 5 already. It's bigger than a 1, so it must be the 4. Going all the way down then in that column, we're left with just the number 1. Okay, let's see. I think we then go along the bottom. This is just going to be a case of filling numbers in. There's no more greater than or less than. So if we look here, we've got 1, 2, 4 and 5 already in this row or column. So the only number that can be is a 3, which leaves the 5 at the top. Here we've got a 1, 4 and 5 along the top. So these must be a 2 and a 3. So this can't be the 3, so it must be the 2. And this must then be the 3. Coming down, we've got 1, no 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that must be our missing 2. And this one here must be our missing 4. Perfect. Another one finished and completed. Tomorrow, I think we're going to have a look at a 6x6 to make it a bit more challenging, and for you guys to have a look at, just some more difficult puzzles and a bit more with the grids. Hopefully we'll see a couple more of the inequalities, or greater thans and less than, so we can actually just, see a bit more of the actual difficulty of the Futoshiki. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one tomorrow.